How to convert normal video to green screen video. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and in today's video we will learn how we can convert normal video to green screen video. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, launch the CapCut application and make sure to import the video that you like to convert to green screen video. So once you have your video on your timeline, then what you have to do is tap on the video. So first of all, we will remove the background from the video. Then navigate to this menu bar at the bottom of this interface, swipe that to your left, and here tap on remove background, and here you can select auto removal. Once the background has been removed, tap on the tick mark. As you can see now, the background has been removed from this video. Now to apply the green screen features, tap on the video on your timeline. And here you have to add the background. From this menu bar at the bottom of your interface, you have to swipe that to your left again, and here select background. Now from here you have to select color. Here you have to swipe this color to your left and then select the green color. And as you can see, the green background has been added. So in this way you can convert your normal video to green screen video. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.